The sky is falling. The sky is falling. That's what I'm hearing around the markets these days, that it's falling apart here. And it's not, right? You look at the SPYs and the Qs real quick. We're coming back on lighter volume so far. And today is Wednesday, right? So we've gone through 3 days of the week. You look at the QQQs, same thing, representing the NASDAQ. It's fine. Couple areas I'm watching, right? Watching some levels. You know, I'm all about volume. And so on the daily, kind of look at some levels here. I have some levels marked out. If you go back to Monday, all-time high, right? Came off on volume yesterday, continued today, although volume is declining. However, we closed within the high of the low of this volume bar right here. That means it can come down here and retest this. If it comes down here and retest this on less than 101 million shares, we're going to bounce. If it comes down on more than 101 million shares, we're probably going to go here. But if it goes down here on less than 85 million shares, we're going to bounce. If it has more than 85 million shares, you could go lower. We'll worry about that if and when it gets there. Same thing with the Qs, right? So you look at the level. You say, okay, we have Monday. Monday highs came off Tuesday on volume. Today we came off on less volume and bounced so far. We have today 49 million shares going into this swing point with 69 million shares. We're coming down with lighter volume. The odds are we're going to bounce. If tomorrow we come down on greater than 69 million, we'll come down to the bottom of that candle, which is 584. If we come down to 584 with greater volume, we'll start and look for the other candle. We'll probably come down to here, but we'll worry about that if and when that happens. Again, you know, you kind of pan out and say, is this a big deal? Is this market rolling over? No, I love to look at the big picture, right? You kind of roll out and say, geez, look how far we've come from. We're talking about coming back a couple of points maybe. Stocks don't go up every day, right? It doesn't. You look at other stocks out there, right? Leading this market. Apple, holding up fine. NVIDIA, it's fine. Just hanging out, right? Meta, it's fine. All these stocks are hanging out at their highs. Oracle, it's fine. Amazon has some work to do to get to the highs, but it's fine. Even the financials, Bank of America, fine. Goldman Sachs, hanging in there off all-time highs. Google, obviously, same way. So you look at the leaders of this market, even Tesla, click on Tesla. Tesla, fine, you know. So nothing is rolling over or falling apart. So far, this is a garden variety dip, if you want to call it a dip. I don't even know what word to use because it's really nothing. Stocks go up, stocks go down. They don't go up every day. So this is fine. So ignore the panic out there. Don't worry about it. But watch every day and keep an eye on some of these levels. I like to watch the macro again and kind of see coming into these levels what volume does, because where volume goes, the market goes. All right. Hope that helps. Have a great night.